Hello future doctors, in this video I include the important questions for NEET from the topic Kingdom Protista. If you all like the video, please like, share and comment and support our channel by subscribing it. In the 5 kingdom classification, Chlamydomonas and Chlorella have been included in 1. Protista, 2. Algae, 3. Plantae, 4. Monera. Correct answer is 1. Protista. Select the wrong statement. 1. The walls of diatoms are easily destructible. 2. Diatomaceous earth is formed by cell walls of diatoms. 3. Diatoms are chief producers in the oceans. 4. Diatoms are microscopic and float passively in the water. Right answer is 1. Walls of diatoms are easily destructible. Ciliates differ from all other protozoans in 1. Having 2 types of nuclei. 2. Using pseudopodia for capturing prey. 3. Having a contractile vacuole for removing excess water. 4. Using flagella for locomotion. Right answer is 1. Having 2 nuclei. The cell wall is composed of 2 thin overlapping shells which fit together like a soap case in A. Desmids, B. Diatoms, C. Dinoflagellates, D. Slime molds. Right answer is B. Diatoms. The kingdom Protista forms a link with kingdom A. Plantae, B. Fungi, C. Animalia, D. all of this. Right answer is all of this. Chrysophytes are A. Planktons, B. Nektones, C. Benthic organisms, D. Rooted submerged. Right answer is A. Planktons. Members of kingdom Protista are primarily A. Parasites, B. Terrestrial, C. Aquatic, D. Photosynthetic. Right answer is C. Aquatic. Which of the following kingdoms has no well-defined boundaries? A. Monera, B. Protista, C. Fungi, D. None of this. Right answer is B. Protista. In which group of organisms the cell walls form 2 thin overlapping shells which fit together? 1. Chrysophytes, 2. Euglenoids, 3. Dinoflagellates, 4. Slime molds. Right answer is 1. Chrysophytes. Chrysophytes, euglenoids, dinoflagellates and slime molds are included in the kingdom. 1. Protista, 2. Fungi, 3. Animalia, 4. Monera. Right answer is 1. Protista. Which of the following organisms are known as chief producers in the oceans? 1. Euglenoids, 2. Cyanobacteria, 3. Diatoms, 4. Dinoflagellates. Right answer is 3. Diatoms. The unicellular eukaryotic organisms were placed in 1. Protista, 2. Monera, 3. Fungi, 4. Animalia. Right answer is 1. Protista. The beautiful diatoms and desmids are placed under 1. Chrysophytes, 2. Dinoflagellates, 3. Euglenoids, 4. Slime molds. Right answer is 1. Chrysophytes. The mode of asexual reproduction in Euglena is 1. Transverse binary fission, 2. Longitudinal binary fission, 3. Multiple fission, 4. Irregular binary fission. Right answer is 2. Longitudinal binary fission. Diatoms resemble dinoflagellates in having 1. Contractile vacuoles, 2. Flagella, 3. Fucoxanthin, 4. Lipids. Right answer is 3. Fucoxanthin. Which of the following has only one host? 1. Plasmodium vivax, 2. Trypanosoma gambins, 3. Taenia solium, 4. Entamoeba histolytica. Right answer is 4. Entamoeba histolytica. Which of the following does not belong to kingdom Protista? 1. Chrysophytes, 2. Euglenoids, 3. Ascomycetes, 4. Dinoflagellates, 5. Protozoans. Right answer is 3. Ascomycetes. Longitudinal binary fission is found in 1. Amoeba, 2. Paramecium, 3. Euglena, 4. None. Right answer is 3. Euglena. Diatoms are 1. Euglenoids, 2. Chrysophytes, 3. Dinoflagellates, 4. Pyrophytes. Right answer is 2. Chrysophytes. Phylum Protozoa is classified on the basis of 1. Mode of reproduction, 2. Locomotory organelles, 3. Mode of nutrition, 4. None of this. Right answer is 2. Locomotory organelles.